This short video discusses the steps you need to complete in order to obtain your CSCS Gold Supervisor's card. In order to obtain your CSCS Gold Supervisor card, you must complete the following 3 steps. Step 1. Pass a recognized construction-related supervisory or technical NVQ or SVQ at level 3 or 4. Step 2. Pass the CITB, Specialist Supervisory Health, Safety and Environment Test. This is often referred to within the industry as the touchscreen test. Step 3. Apply to CSCS for the Gold Supervisor card. You can undertake Stage 1 and Stage 2 in any order, but both must be successfully completed prior to applying for the CSCS Gold Supervisor card. There are a number of supervisory and technical NVQs that can be taken at level 3 or 4 that meet the CSCS requirement for the Gold Supervisor card. These include the NOCN Level 3 NVQ Diploma in Occupational Work Supervision, Construction. This Level 3 NVQ Diploma in Occupational Health and Safety is specifically aimed at individuals working within the construction sector in a supervisory position, or those intending to move into a supervisory role. The qualification will allow you to develop your knowledge and understanding, and also to demonstrate your competence in a real workplace environment within the construction industry. To complete Step 2 for the CSCS Gold Supervisor card, you are required to pass the Specialist Supervisory CITB Health Safety and Environment Test within the last 2 years. This test can be undertaken with a CITB-approved provider at a large number of locations throughout the United Kingdom. To make an application for your CSCS Gold Supervisor card, you will need to 1. Create an account on the CSCS website. 2. Obtain digital copies of your Level 3 or 4 NVQ Pass Certificate and the Pass Letter for the CITB, Specialist Supervisory, Health Safety and Environment Test, which contains your CITB testing ID. 3. Wait 24 hours from completing your CITB Health Safety and Environment Test. 4. Pay the required CSCS fee. Alternatively, you could purchase the Gold Cross Gold Card package direct from our website. This not only covers all NVQ and test costs, but also provides for all of the administration requirements, ensuring that the CSCS Gold Supervisor card is delivered directly through your letterbox, allowing you to concentrate on completing your NVQ and passing the CITB Health Safety and Environment Test. Gold Cross Training are an approved NOCN, CITB and Pearson VUE accredited test center. We can provide a range of options to facilitate you obtaining your CSCS Gold Supervisor card. From providing a suitable Level 3 Construction Supervisor NVQ, to completing the CITB Health, Safety and Environment Test, or both, we have you covered, and we can even shoulder all of the administration if you wish via the previously discussed Gold Supervisor card package. Why not visit our website or simply give us a call to discuss your requirements and see how we can help you on your journey. We hope you found this presentation both informative and useful. Thank you for taking the time to watch and engage with our content. Your commitment to safety is what drives us to deliver the highest quality training and resources. If you found this presentation helpful, please don't forget to like and share it with your colleagues and network. Together, we can continue to build safer, more productive workplaces. Thank you again, and stay safe.